the next one.
Come on.
Pretend that it's hard, right?
Ooh.
He makes it look easy, doesn't he?
I'm making wine, brother. Yeah, this is a little bit harder than it looks. Oh my gosh. Ah.
Vilo?
It's coming.
Ah.
Make sure
Is that the difficulty?
Make sure you get it all.
I feel like getting in there and using my feet. Has it happened? Yeah. Oh. Bring that scoop with you when you're done, huh? Get you a nice little workout. Oh, yeah. It's fantastic.
Oh yeah, huh?
Do you have an automatic machine to do this?
They do, but in tanks.
But you first have to do this before you put it in the tanks, or what?
No, this is gonna, after this is done here, it's gonna go into the press.
This is nothing. Try 5 or 7 tons per man as well. 5, even 3 tons is a lot.
I'll definitely get a couple more workers to do this.
Yeah, you only got 22 more to do.
Yeah, 4 times a day.
Oh. And just him, just this guy does it?
Yeah, sometimes we'll have like 40 of them.
You're kidding. I'm already getting tired. This is work. I thought it was fun to have a vineyard. All right.
Okay.
Get that done.
You can let him do the next one.
Well, if those tanks does this.
The tanks, we do it with a pump.
So then how come you don't do it all with tanks?
Because like small batches, he likes to do it this way.
Like he's got his signature on it.
Yeah,
Wow.
that should be good. Right.
Okay.
Here, he can do the next one.
Whew.
Tired? Workout, huh?
Tasty. Ooh, I'm all out of breath. Oh yeah, show me how it's done, Victor.
You just did it.
Hey, don't forget to hit the corners,
I am.
boss man. So to the table in a year and a half.
Yeah, well.
This right
Pinot
here.
Probably, yeah.
Huh?
On the Pinot, probably. It just depends on how, Miro likes it.
How much a bottle?
I don't know, what are you selling this for, Miro?
Huh?
What do you get for this Pinot?
I don't know. 28, 30 maybe. Too many out there.
28 to $30 per bottle.
Yep.
That's cheap. That's cheap.
That's cheap, huh? Really?
Nowadays.
Good.
You guys are having fun?
Yep, I am.
I think my hand's going to be stained from now on. That's probably why you wear gloves.
That's not like because of the pizza right.
Oh yeah, that's.
His shirt used to be white, he's going to tell me now.
Yeah. Yeah, my shirt used to be white, right? Oh, yeah,
This looks like a different type of grape.
baby. It's the same thing.
This is the same?
Yeah, it's a little bit more advanced. Oh man, that's cooking.
Still cooking?
Oh, it's really cooking.
Oh, too hot?
It's a different yeast.
Oh.
The other one is cold.
Is that why it felt warm over there?
Oh, feel this one.
Just from this?
Yeah.
This one's a lot hotter.
Oh, gee.
Oh wow.
All right.
It's hotter because it's fermenting.
It's fermenting faster, yeah.
Yeah, he's got a different yeast in this one.
Oh, okay. Different yeast, so the taste is going to be different?
This one is a little bit more enthusiastic.
Does that inhibit the taste?
Huh?
Does that inhibit the taste at all?
What?
The different yeast, so you get different taste.
Yeah, you get different flavors, yes. Absolutely.
So this will be sold as something slightly different, or is it going to be
It'll
this?
get
No, it all gets blended together. So
okay.
It's only 6 tons.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for letting me help you.
Stay here a while if you want.
No, that's good. Let's go back. Onward.
We've got more out here. We've got all these to do too.
Yeah. Jeez. Oh, those are full right now, huh?
Yeah, those are all full. Sometimes they'll have like 40 or 50. Like you say, you gotta do it 3-4 times a day.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.